Welcome back, travel adventurers and nature lovers. This episode continues my vacation adventures in Anderson, South Carolina, USA. Issaqueena Waterfall was one of the natural spots I visited. Issaqueena Falls is nestled in the enchanting Sumter National Forest. This forest spans over 370,000 acres across several counties in South Carolina. How large is 370,000 acres or 578 square miles? This is about half the size of the state of Rhode Island. Although part of the Sumter National Forest, Issaqueena Waterfall is administered by the city of Walhalla, South Carolina. German immigrants founded the city in 1850. Walhalla comes from the Norse mythology and means the Hall of the Fallen, which is like a haven for warriors. Sumter National Forest is home to many rare and endemic plant species including the Georgia aster and the Oconee bells. So when you see these flowers, admire them but don't pick them. Part of the popularity of Issaqueena Falls is the legend associated with it. It was a tale of love and courage. Issaqueena was a Cherokee maiden. One version of the legend tells of Issaqueena falling in love with a white trader. She overheard her tribespeople planning a surprise attack on the trading fort, so she rode a pony for 96 miles to warn her lover. Angered by her actions, the Cherokee chief had her captured. She escaped her captors by pretending to leap the waterfall to her death. Her pursuers thought she was dead or evil spirits live in the waterfall, so they stopped chasing her. She eventually married her lover. From then on, the waterfall was named after her, the maiden whose love was so strong, whose courage defied the consequences of her actions. From the gravel parking, the marker leads to two short wooden bridges. A short trail takes you to a wooden viewing deck overlooking the falls. And there it is, the mesmerizing Issaqueena Falls, cascading majestically from Cane Creek. The entire waterfall may not be fully visible in summer, but during winter, the barren trees might give you a better view, a majestic view of the falls. You follow a steep trail from the viewing deck to the waterfall's base about 100 feet down and 220 feet away. It's tricky, and you must cling to exposed roots or tree branches to keep you from sliding. Climbing down on all fours or trees will ensure your safety, but you will be amply rewarded when you reach the base of the falls. As you reach the waterfall's base, wiping off some sweat from your brow and catching your breath, you feel a stillness decided by the symphony of water streams falling on and slithering between the rocks. You'll hear birds chirping, and the forest wrapping its long arms around you. You'll drop your guard, and then you're a child again, lost in awe and wonder. You throw your shoes and dip your tired feet in the chilly waters, even wash your face from the stream, and then you're one with nature, relaxed, reflective, and appreciative. Whether you're an avid hiker, a searcher for a peaceful escape, a vacationer, or a teenager bored with computer games, this journey to Issaqueena Falls is worth taking. For us three sisters and a niece, separated with time and distance for years, the hike to Issaqueena Falls was driven by our need for reconnection. Life took us on separate paths One sister lives and works in Canada with her family. I live and work in the United Kingdom. Our host, my other sister, lives in South Carolina. We pursued paths that pulled us away from each other, but memories of our shared laughter and whispered secrets remain. We need this reconnection with each other, with nature, and our shared childhood. With every step, the bond strengthened, memories resurfaced, and the weight of years apart faded. We wanted to be able to laugh again, sing again, wonder again, and dream again, just like before when we were kids. And this all spontaneously happened when we were at Issaqueena Falls. The distance vanished and time stood still. We were reunited. We were kids again.
May tatlong baby ako nakita, mataba, mapalak ang mga iba. Ngayon ano may tatak sa likod ay isa. Siyang nagsasabi ng kwak, kwak, kwak. Kwak, kwak, kwak. Kwak, kwak, kwak. Kwak, kwak, kwak.
Issaqueena Falls is more than just a destination. For us, it symbolizes timeless bond, nature's embrace, and the power of reconnection. Thanks for joining us on this nature appreciation trek. If this story touched your heart, like, share, and subscribe for more adventures. Safe travels, and see you next time. And remember, sometimes nature's beauty is a reflection of our own inner connections. Enjoy the rest of the video.